Today I going to introduce with you a lifesaver product. This is BNB Black Sesame Oil. Sesame is known since 5000 years ago and is one of the first crop processed for oil. Sesame oil is composed of fatty acids such as linoleic acid, oleic acid and others. BNB sesame oil is nicely packaged and well sealed. Sesame oil is contained two antioxidants such as sesamol and sesamelone, which help in maintaining health. So this sesame oil also very good for your health, hair. You can use this in a different way and various ways. You can see it's so easy to apply on my hair. So it's make my hair healthy and also nourish. After using this, my hair fall is on control and nothing is fall now. You can also use this sesame oil as a makeup remover. Just take a few drops on a cotton and remove it very softly from your face and neck areas. It's also moisturize your skin, make your skin glowing and hydrated. You can use as oil pulling and massage also. They always look for quality control and they also have a oil packaging unit. Factory garden. BNB sesame oil is vegetarian so everyone can use it. It's certified from FSSAI, ISO, FIEO and many. The price of this product is $249 but you can get discount. You can also follow them on their Instagram page. So everything on my description. Go and check my description. Hope this video is helpful for you. Then follow and share.